So guys, today we're going to be unboxing this Fender Genuine Parts Tremolo assembly kit. As you can see, here's the front. It has a classic Fender look. Here's the side, the left side, the back, the right side. Here's the bottom, and the top. So to unbox this, we're just going to slide this out right here. Okay. As you can see, we have the gold Fender bridge kit. As you can see, you have your saddles, your bridge plate, and then back here, you have the American bridge block. It's super thick, a lot more sustained compared to the thinner bridge blocks from like Squires or other imported bridge blocks. Right here, you have your whammy bar. So this is where you install the tip. And then right here's the part where you'll screw into the bridge. It's very nice. All the finish is consistent and it feels super high quality and like durable. I don't think like you can bend this out of shape. Here are the accessories. In the bag, you can see you have your tremolo springs. You get 5 of these, super tight, super nice. You have an Allen key that's provided to you by Fender, so you can adjust the saddle height. Here's your trim claw. This is what you'd use to attach the springs from the bridge claw to the bridge block. So you can use the whammy bar. Right here, you can see here's the tips of the whammy bar. Here are the 6 screws that you would use to install the bridge to the guitar. Here are the 2 screws that they give you to install the trim claw to the back of the guitar. That small cavity area. These are silver, a chrome. Here's a spring that you can use to drop in the whammy bar little slot to keep the whammy bar from falling. Here's the gold string tree. It's gold on the front and back. It's super nice. Here's the arc. Here's the little gold screw to install the string tree. It's a small gold screw. Then here's the spring tree spacer. That's about it. And thank you guys for watching.